Hello, MMS. You are now on journey number 5 out of 6 in book 2. Congrats on making it through the first 4. You are almost there. Today, we are going to talk about 2 super important concepts. The first one being 6-8, like you see on here. And then the other thing is triplets, which is something we have not seen much of yet, but you will definitely see a lot of this in your future. So let's talk about 6-8 really quick. I know it's weird because we are used to seeing 4-4, 2-4, cut time. It's a little bit different than what we are used to. But we still are going to use some of the same notes. So here this looks like a dotted eighth note, or a dotted quarter note rather. We got some eighth notes in here, but there's a grouping of 3. That's kind of weird, right? And then how does this equal this? We'll get there, don't worry. So the top line, as we know, is how many beats are in a measure. And the bottom line is what gets the beat. So normally when we see 4-4, 4 beats in a measure, the quarter note gets the beat. But here we have 6 beats in a measure and the eighth note gets the beat. So essentially, when you see this little eighth note, that's going to equal 1 beat out of our 6. And whenever you see this dotted quarter note, that's actually going to equal 3 beats. I know it looks like it should be 1.5, but it's actually going to equal 3. Crazy stuff. So we got this. We have 6 beats in our measure, so each of these is going to be worth 1 beat. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and so on. So anytime you see this guy, the dotted quarter note, that is 3 beats out of your 6, which is half of your measure. And then here, our quarter notes are now worth 2 beats. What a world we live in. Crazy stuff. 2 beats, eighth notes are 1 beat. 2 beats, our eighth note is 1 beat. And then this guy, which is the dotted half note in our 6-8 time, is going to be worth all 6 beats in that measure. So 6 beats per measure, eighth notes get the beat. Just a little quick mental math. If we were going to have all eighth notes in our measure, how many eighth notes would we have? 6. Awesome stuff. So we are going to count through this. I'm going to count through it one time for you. If you feel comfortable, you can count with me. If not, just listen and tap your foot. We are going to tap our foot in a pattern of 2. So it would be really hard for us to tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the way that we divide it and the way it's kind of divided on this page here is in little groupings of 2. So your first foot tap is going to be 1, 2, 3. Your second foot tap is going to be 4, 5, 6. So it'll look like this. This is your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so on. If you're going to count this, like technically it would be the first beat and the fourth beat are going to get your foot tap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So keeping that in mind, I'm going to tap my foot to that. I'm going to clap this rhythm for you. I'm going to give you 2 beats, or 2 big beats, which is a whole measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Then the last note that you see there just goes the whole measure, all 6 beats. Let's try that one more time. Please count along with me and tap your foot if you were listening before. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sweet. Not so bad, right? It looks scary on the page, but you guys are all pros. I know you can do it. So if you have your instrument with you, please pick it up and rock your concert F as we always do. I want you to keep your foot tap going on beats 1 and 4, and we are going to play it on a concert F. I'm still going to clap the rhythm for you just so you have that to latch onto. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. And then you can kind of see here in the parentheses that the notes or the beats that we don't play are in parentheses, and Those are just good things to have in your head. You don't have to say them out loud, but you should be thinking them in your head. That is what we call subdividing. Cool. As always, you can go back and rewind this if you need more help or you want more practice, but we're going to move on to the second rhythm. So here we have some triplets. In your book, there is a nice little explanation for you that should help you out, but this is just another level of help for you so that you can be an awesome musician and music reader. So we got eighth notes, right? 2 of them for 1 beat. We got 16th notes. 4 of them can fit in 1 beat of normal 4/4, right? But now we got triplets. So we can't fit 2 triplets per beat, can't fit 4, but we can fit 3. So how that is going to work is we're just going to have 3 evenly spaced notes, similarly to your 16th notes, but you're just taking out a note. So if I were to count this for you that you see on the page here, it would sound something like this. 1, 2 triplet, 3, 4. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3, 4. Let's try that together. We are going to say whatever beat it is, so 2 or 3 or 1 or 4 or 17, and then triplet. Keeping that in your head and saying out loud will help you to keep it super even, because we can use other stuff like lollipop or, I don't know, triplet even, but if we use the number and then triplet, that helps us to know what beat we're on and that we're playing triplets and that they're going to be even. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2 triplet, 3, 4. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3, 4. Yeah. Hopefully that was easy for you. You know the drill. Pick up your instrument if you have it with you. Play it on your concert F. Let's try these triplets. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2 triplet, 3, 4. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3, 4. Sweet. As always, you can rewind this and watch it as many times as you want. If you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to a music teacher. They will be glad to help you. See you later.